Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kimberly. So in this video, I'm going to be putting on these beautiful nails here because today is fall and I want to wish everybody a happy fall. And I want to show you guys how I put this on. So let me show you what I use. Okay, so I'm going to be using these fall nails, really cute nails. And then I'm going to be using this brush so I can brush off the excess, a filer, a cuticle, and after I'm finished, I'm going to be using this oil for my cuticles. This glue right here, best glue that I bought from Sally's, and a cuticle pin or a cuticle, whatever you call this, cuticle. So let me prepare my nails. So first thing, what I'm gonna do is, wait, I need to grab my nail clipper. Hold on. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna grab my nail clipper that I have here, and I'm just gonna clip my nails. Okay, so once my nails are nice and clipped, I'm gonna grab this file and just gonna shape them. Okay. And then I'm gonna grab my cuticles and just push down the cuticles like that. See that? Okay, once my cuticles are pushed back, I'm going to use this cuticle remover and start removing the cuticles, if I have any. A little bit here. It doesn't look like I have any ones, cuticles. Well, I don't have a lot of cuticles because I've done this already. And now it's time for the nails, so let me open the nails. Okay, so I opened the nails, and the nails comes with these stickers and a small file here. I don't use these stickers because I don't like them. I like to use glue, so I'm going to put these back. And here are the nails. And here are the beautiful nails that I got from Shein. Adorable. So now it's time to start measuring the nails to fit in my fingernails. So I start with the thumb because it's more easier for me. So at these nails have numbers right here. This number is 0. So 0 fits really big, so I don't use that one. This one's number 1. So this is 1. So this is how number 1 is going to fit, like really good. So I'm going to use 1 on the left side. And I'm going to look for another 1. So this is 0. And this one is, this one's 2. No, not the 2. I'm not looking for 2. I'm looking for number 1. Oh, I can't really see. This one's 2. Well, which one's 1? Okay, hold on. Let me look for number 1. Okay, so I found number 1. So I'm going to put it on the right side. So that's what it looks like. So I'm going to put it here. And now I'm going to look for the rest of my fingers. So I'm going to fast forward this part. So now I'm going to grab a file and I'm going to file the shine of my nails. So they last long. Okay, so after I've done filing my nails, I'm going to grab my little brush and just brush it off. Brush this off too. Okay. And now I'm going to grab my glue. I'm going to put it on the side here. And let's start gluing the nails. Oh, the glue doesn't want to come. Hold on. Okay, so I had to cut it because I had glue, but let's retry to glue it back. One dot. And this is how I like to glue my nails. And then we put it on the nails. And then we press it down and start the countdown. Okay, first nail on. So I'm gonna work on my rest with the nails, and I'll be back.
2,000 years later.
All right, I am done putting the nails on. This is what it looks like. Now I'm gonna grab my file and I'm going to file a little like bump the nails come with, just ever so light, slightly. Do not go like that. Ever so slightly. Just so we can smooth this little place down. Here. And I like to grab this and smooth it. The last thing is this cuticle oil that I got from the Dollar Tree. Now I'm almost finished with it. And we're just gonna put the oil. Oh, that's a lot of oil. Just put the oil on the cuticles. That's a lot of oil. Hold on. Just scoop some in there. It's a lot of oil. It smells good. It smells like lavender. Just scooch. Just don't add too much like I just did, because it's a little crazy. But it smells good though. I love the smell of this. I'm almost finished with it. I have another one. But just add to the cuticles. And we are done with the nails. Look how beautiful they came out. They're like 3D and stuff. They're so cute. So I did this for fall because fall is here. So exciting. Summer's gone. So I really hope you guys enjoy this easy fall nail tutorial that I just showed you guys. And if you guys did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos and follow me on the social medias down below, and also put them in the description box. And don't forget to subscribe and follow me again, social medias. I really hope you guys have really hope you guys have a wonderful fall, and stay safe out there, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.